I'm going to show you how to generate stunning hierarchical visualizations without writing a single line of code. This video has 2 parts. Part 1 covers the core concepts behind knowledge graphs and hierarchical thinking, and Part 2 will show you how to generate hierarchy visualizations with no coding and no prompt engineering. So let's jump into the first part. As humans, we naturally think in hierarchies. For example, if I ask you to list all the countries in the world, you'll first think of continents, and then the countries within each continent. Our brains are wired to understand information this way. So let's talk about the kinds of data visualizations that match this natural way of thinking hierarchical visualizations. Today, we'll take simple tabular data and convert it into beautiful hierarchical visuals. The dataset includes the car brand, along with characteristics such as fuel type, aspiration, body style, and the price of the car. Let's see how we can transform this into insightful visuals. The first visualization is a tree chart. Just like a real tree, it has a root node and multiple branching levels. Here, the top level shows the brand, followed by fuel type, and then body type. You can expand and collapse nodes, making it a compact, yet information-rich visualization. This chart also reveals powerful insights. For example, you can quickly see that Nissan offers both diesel and gas models. But under diesel, there is only one body type, whereas gas models have multiple body types. This makes it easy to understand relationships at a glance. The second visualization is the tree map, which is excellent for understanding proportions. This tree map shows brand, fuel type, body type, with the size of each box representing the average price. Right away, you can see that Jaguar occupies the largest box, meaning it has the highest average price. You can also explore the hierarchy inside each box. For instance, Mercedes-Benz includes both gas and diesel models. And within gas, you can see different body types such as sedan and convertible. Tree maps make these comparisons effortless. The third visualization is the Sankey chart, which displays data as flows. Here, the flow moves from brand, fuel type, body type, and the width of each link represents the average price. From this, you can instantly tell that Jaguar again has the highest average price. You can also see that the number of gas models is far greater than diesel models. Sankey charts are visually striking and at the same time reveal deep insights about the structure and magnitude of the data. These hierarchical visualizations are not only beautiful to look at, they help you understand complex relationships and patterns with ease. Now, let me show you on how you can generate these beautiful visualizations. Now let's switch to the DATAJARVIS platform, which will allow you to make hierarchy visualizations without coding. First, let's take a quick look at the data. This data set contains data related to automobile. The data is available in a CSV format. So let's move over to DATAJARVIS and open the hierarchy visualization feature. We'll begin by uploading the file. I'll select the CSV, and once it loads, you'll see a preview of the data on the screen. Now we can add the data to the platform. After a moment, the file is uploaded and ready to use. Once it's added, we simply select this data source to begin our analysis. With the dataset selected, we're all set to generate the hierarchy visual. Here, you'll see a list of pre-configured prompts. These are ready-made, no writing, no prompt engineering required. Let's start by looking at some sample data using the first prompt. After a moment, the data appears. It corresponds to the automobile dataset. Now, let's generate the tree chart. To do this, we need to select the different hierarchy levels. We'll choose make as the first level, fuel type as the second level, body type as the third level, and for the value field, we'll select the average price. The prompt is now ready, so I'll go ahead and run it. In just a moment, we'll get a beautiful tree chart. Next, let's generate the tree map. Once again, we'll select make, fuel type, and body type as the hierarchy levels, and average price as the value. I'll run the prompt, and shortly, we'll have a clean, visually appealing tree map. Similarly, we can generate the Sankey chart. Just like before, we select make, fuel type, and body type as the levels, and average price as the value field. I'll run the prompt, and in a moment, we'll have a great-looking Sankey diagram. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and create these beautiful visualizations. with your own data.